Hi guys, so how are you? Well, this video is about how to fix the 1604 problem in the restore of iPod and iPhones. And maybe you like me who were stuck in the recovery mode, and the only thing that you have to do is restore your iPhone or iPod Touch in a computer. Well, I made in a PC, in a computer that you never use your iPhone or iPod Touch. Well, I read a lot of tutorials and many things in the internet, and I never found an answer. So the solution is that you have to restore again. You have to restore your iPhone, your iPod Touch in a computer like virgin that never had iPhones or iPod Touch connected. And well, maybe in you in this moment you have the iTunes logo and the USB cable. That's the sign that you are stuck in the recovery mode. You have to do this. Maybe if the computer that you will use never have iTunes, you have to install the last version of iTunes. I don't know, it's the 8.0 version. Well, I think has to be the latest version of iTunes. So you plug your iPhone or iPod Touch, and the iTunes will tell you that you are in the recovery mode. If you want to restore, you have to power off. You have to power off your iPhone or iPod Touch, and you have to do next. You have to do this. You have to press power button and home button at the same time for 10 seconds, exactly 10 seconds. Maybe you can use your clock or something. So of this way you have to push the same buttons for 10 seconds, and then you have to release the power button. Like you see, you release the power button and you're gonna see the iPod or iPhone in a black screen. Never always in black. So the iTunes will tell you that you are in the recovery mode. So you have to do this. You have to restore your iPhone or iPod Touch with the last version that you installed in your equipment. The last version. For example, mine it's the firmware 2.2. So you have to download that firmware and you have to restore like common, like always. And that's maybe I think this is the solution for restore the problem 1604. I don't know, I was afraid when I see my iPod Touch freezing and I read a lot of things, the iBrick, many tutorials that never recognize my iPod Touch. Well, I hope this could be useful for us, and if it works, well, that's nice. Maybe I will put in the description all the steps that you have to do, but it's very simple. You only have to restore in a totally new computer, because I don't know, Mac, when you connect your iPod Touch or iPhone in recovery mode, I don't know, it's like some virus that recognize your iPhone, your iPod Touch, and says the system, don't restore the equipment, don't restore the iPhone. So Mac, sorry, we always find another thing to have free all the applications. So thank you, and I hope you can useful again. See you.